Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glady Tech. Today I'll be showing you how to delete all reposts at once on TikTok. Okay, for you to do that, please watch this video to the very end. Tap on the profile on your profile. So this is my profile. Tap on repost option. That's the fourth option here. Okay, I just have three repost videos here. So what I have to do now is to tap on the three dots at right corner of the screen. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on activities center. Activity center. Tap on watch history. Okay, so this is it. Tap on the select option at the up right corner of the screen. Then select as much as you want to delete. As much as you want to delete. Then tap on delete. Delete all. Okay. So guys, that is on how to delete all your posts on TikTok. If you want to delete more, you can still delete more. If you can just tap on select and delete all if you want to. So guys, that's it on how to delete all reposts on TikTok. If this video was helpful,